Hi, Mom. So you want to go to your Venmo, and you have these controls here. You want to click here, and you kind of see the people that have given you money or you've paid people. So you want to go back, and you're going to click down here on Me right here. Okay. Under Me, it brings you the home screen. So look, I have $11. My transactions. I can take this $11, so I'm going to be sending you 350 to 500 a month, and you'll see your balance here. You click on Transfer. On a transfer, you click here, or if you want to set up a new bank. So I set up my schools first. If you want to go here, it allows you to set up a new bank, and you want to set it up and you want to verify bank manually. Click on manually. And so it's just going to ask you for your routing number of your bank and your account number twice. And then you can click save and continue and follow those prompts on the screen, and you should be good to go. It should be pretty easy. Um, and then if you want to just go like this way, oh shoot, I just transferred the $11. Crap. I didn't want to transfer $11. Well, if you're going to add a bank and you want to do it a certain way, if you have your online banking and you know the username and password of your online bank, you could do it that way. So you would just click continue and put in your username and password for your bank. But I don't, McConnell says you don't. He's shaking his head as he's making his coffee that you don't have online banking. So remember, you definitely want to add a bank and do it manually. Just click here. Good luck. Love you.